Welcome to Ronak's Tech. In this video we cover: what is plsql? plsql architecture overview. Difference between SQL and plsql. Have you ever wondered how banks handle millions of secure transactions every day, without failing? That's the power of plsql, Oracle's secret weapon for data control. Let's explore what plsql is, and how it works in real-world systems. plsql stands for Procedural Language, Structured Query Language. It's Oracle's extension of SQL that adds logic, variables, loops, and conditions to standard SQL queries. It allows developers to write complex programs using SQL, but with the power of a real programming language. Let's take a real-time scenario. Suppose you're working in a banking system. When a customer deposits money, 1. The account must be validated. 2. The balance must be updated. 3. A transaction log must be inserted. 4. If anything fails, everything must roll back. Doing all that with plain SQL would be error-prone. That's where plsql comes in. It lets developers create 1. Procedures. 2. Functions. 3. Packages. 4. Triggers. All of these bundle logic and SQL into reusable blocks. plsql architecture. Now let's understand how plsql works behind the scenes. plsql architecture includes 1. plsql engine. It handles logic like loops, conditions, and variables. 2. SQL engine executes SQL statements. 3. Memory structures includes 1. PGA, Program Global Area, stores variables for the session. 2. SGA, System Global Area, shared memory for execution. This combination allows plsql to deliver speed, accuracy, and high availability for enterprise applications. When you run a plsql program, SQL queries go to the SQL engine. The rest, loops, conditions, procedures, is processed by the plsql engine. Together, they ensure smooth execution with error handling and transaction control. Difference between SQL, plsql. Let's break down the difference. 1. SQL is a declarative language. It tells the database what to do. Whereas, plsql is procedural. It tells the database how to do it step by step. 2. With SQL, you write a single query. With plsql, you write full blocks containing SQL, conditions, exceptions, and reusable logic. Now you understand what plsql is, how it powers real-world systems, and how it differs from SQL. In the next video, we'll build your very first plsql block step by step. Pushpin, don't forget to like, comment, and follow at Ronak's Tech for daily SQL and cloud content. Bell, subscribe now, and start building your backend skills the smart way.